Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a pumpkin pie farm in Minecraft. First, gather your basic materials: pumpkins, wheat, sugar cane, eggs, and milk. Find a suitable flat area, perhaps a 20 by 20 block space, and place a water source in the center. Till the surrounding soil with a hoe, then plant your pumpkin seeds. Remember to leave 1 block of space next to each stem for the pumpkin to grow. Now let's automate the pumpkin harvesting. Place an observer block facing the spot where the pumpkin will grow. Behind each observer, place a piston. Connect these pistons with redstone dust, leading to a single lever or button for easy activation. When a pumpkin grows, the observer detects it, activating the piston to push the pumpkin off its stem. This simple setup ensures efficient, hands-free harvesting. To collect your harvested pumpkins, place hoppers directly beneath where they fall, leading into chests. For other ingredients, grow sugar cane on dirt blocks adjacent to water to produce sugar. Keep a small pen of chickens nearby for a steady supply of eggs. Finally, you'll need milk from cows, which you can collect using an empty bucket. With all these components, you'll have a continuous supply for crafting delicious pumpkin pies. To maximize your pie production, consider expanding your farm. Add more rows of pumpkins and additional water sources to cover larger areas. Increase the size of your chicken and cow pens to ensure a greater supply of eggs and milk. For ultimate automation, integrate a simple redstone clock to trigger your pistons at regular intervals, creating a truly hands-off, high-yield pumpkin pie factory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.